This made it like squishier.
And it made mine slippier. Slippy.
It smells good.
Yeah, it does.
Let me touch yours. I liked it. Hi guys, it's me Ben,
And it's me, Mackenzie.
and today we're going to be making slime. And we're making cotton candy slime, and it smells like cotton candy. So let's get started. First, glue in. Alright, we poured all the glue in, so now we gotta fill the measuring cup to 15. Alright, dump it in. Here, I wanna mix. Then after we're done this, we gotta put some baking soda in. Okay. So now, let's put some baking soda in. That's fun. Mix it. Okay, so now we're done mixing, and now we're gonna put some of this in after we pour some of this because we're gonna make two different colors. There, and now we're gonna take, okay, we're gonna add the color in, and I'm gonna do blue and Mackenzie's gonna do purple. I'm gonna use this container. Take the spoon. Wow, that looks really cool. Now, I gotta mix it And then we're gonna add some activator in. Wait, actually, she can do hers first. See? Take some of that and then just mix it. Oh, that's cool. You like your slime? Good? So now we need to add little drops of activator in. There. Go. There. Whoa. It's activating quick. I think we need a little more of it. You need more? Yeah, a little more. There you go. Okay, so after this, we add the smell into it, and it will smell like cotton candy. Okay, maybe like one more drop of this.
Mine is super sticky.
You want some more? Okay, I think mine looks really good, so I think I'm gonna start using my hands. A little more activator. It's still not sticking. You need more?
Yeah. Can I get a bit thinner? Paper towel, please.
This is really gooey.
Yeah. That looks cool, guys.
Okay.
Time for me to mix with my hands.
We're gonna play with it for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna add the smell. It's really stretchy.
I only have a tiny.
I really like this slime.
Me too.
Now, okay, I'm gonna add mine. 3 drops. Okay, only 3 drops. Mix it over. 1, 2, 3. I can already smell it. You mixed yours?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do your drops. 1,
2,
3,
4.
I don't know how much I did.
I did 4.
This made it like squishier.
And it made mine slippier. Slippy.
It smells good.
Yeah, it does.
Let me touch yours. I like this one. Comment down below what's your favorite color. Mine's blue.
Mine's pink and blue. Bye, guys.
I hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button and give us a big thumbs up. Bye!
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.